Traumatic brain injury is much more prevalent than people think. It affects over 1.5 million people a year and is largely caused by trauma, including motor vehicle accidents, slip and fall cases, and other sorts of injuries. Most mild traumatic brain injuries, around 85%, the Center for Disease Control indicates, make a recovery, but there's a solid 15% that do not, and these people need therapy, they need help with it. One of the more confusing parts of representing somebody with a brain injury is actually recognizing it if they haven't had an obvious problem. It could come on them later and you have to backtrack and see exactly what may have caused this so you can help them with the correct medical treatment. You also have to do an exhaustive history in terms of the pre-existing problems. They could have had a concussion in football as a child, or maybe they were a cheerleader and they struck their head, or they were swimming with their parents and hit their head. You have to be aware of prior problems for two reasons. One, it can make a new brain trauma worse. The new brain trauma would aggravate a pre-existing problem and really magnify the situation. There's actually a medical term known as a double bang that can really make you worse in that respect. The other reason is legally. If we do not find out what pre-existing problems the people suffer from, we're going to find out the hard way to deposition or trial when they say, yeah, but they may have a brain injury, but they had these things previously. And that's when we rule out with the proper baseline with the right doctors. So there's a lot of things to be involved in. The Carnes Law Group is in the national forefront in terms of representing people and their families with traumatic brain injury.